Canny, established in 2010, located in Zhongshan City with convenient transportation access, specializes in household electronic scale design and manufacturing. We offer a full range of ODM and OEM services, including electronic scale, IC module, app design, and sensor manufacturing. With an experienced R&D team and professional sensor technology, we develop numerous new products yearly to cater to customer needs. Our main product includes kitchen scale, Bluetooth scale, bathroom scale, body fat scale, coffee scale, luggage scales, and etc. Adhering to ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and BSCI standards. Our rigorous quality control procedures encompass IQC, IPQC, OQC, ensuring every product in the control with quality pass, such as accuracy test, repeatability test, life test, low and high temperature test, drop and shank test, overloading test, tempered glass safety tester, salt spray testing. We make sure order timely delivery, provide a 2 years warranty, aim for 0 complaints, returns, and strive for 99% customer satisfaction. With 1 to 7 days sample delivery, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. International certifications for all products: EMC, ROS, PAH, LFGB, FCC, UKCA. Our business partners are assured to do business well in Europe, US, and Asia market. We look forward to becoming a partner with you to create a better tomorrow.